So here's my 2cc engine, almost ready to be built in next week. So I start wrapping the intake manifold. Not sure if I'm going to keep it like that. I didn't have enough wrap, so I might take it all off. Not sure yet, but that's basically how it is. You can see the swap manifold over here, or sorry, the swap mount over there. So I already had those actually, because I used them on my 1cc actually in gold, but here you can see the hoses. The hoses that I have here are for the Celica engine. There's a Corolla, so I had to come up with a solution, which is this. So I cut it off, and well, that's basically how I did it. So as you can see here, it's all nice and clean. Took me a long time though, but it's almost ready to be built in, so can't wait.